Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Alice. I'm in the middle of doing a foundation review right now, and need to finish my face. Figured I have some new makeup and we could chill and chat and look at it together, and it's gonna be fun. So yeah, I'm in the middle of doing a foundation review for the Too Faced Born This Way. Actually, their foundation and the new Super Coverage Concealer. So if you're curious about that, it'll either be linked below or just subscribe and you'll see it in your subscription feed. But I want to finish the rest of my face because right now it's just very foundation-y. For that, I have this new little thing from Profusion. So this is the Sculpt and Glow. This one comes with highlight and contour in it. A little brush that's kind of useless. Actually, no, you can save that and it's great for cutting your contour. I really like Profusion's contour colors. I use them a lot. It's kind of replaced my Shade and Light palette, to be honest. So I'm excited about this. That light contour looks really light though. Let's swatch it. Look at that light contour is practically the same color as my face. Maybe it'll be good for my nose. Let's just jump right into it, bitch. I'm gonna do the medium and carve out the cheekbones. I didn't even say how much this is. So, am I like the worst beauty guru in existence? This palette is 10 bucks, $9.99. I'm gonna try the light shade for the nose because it's very easy to go overboard with your nose contour, so using a light shade is always smart. Okay. That's nice. There's a little bit of warmth to it, for sure. More noticeable IRL as opposed to on camera. Lately I've just been taking my contour and like putting it across the top of my nose. Get a little soul patch action. There's also a beige highlight in here. Let's give it a shot. Is it doing anything? Somebody's at my door. And I don't have pants on. But let me show you what you can do with this brush, because I don't know if I would contour or highlight with that, but I save them for dipping in to my loose setting powder. This is just the RCMA no color powder. What you can do is you can cut your contour with that. You can also hit the side of your nose. So yeah, this is cute. I mean, this is a cute little brush, and it's not totally useless. Quote me on that. But I don't want to get too dry, so I don't need this to be on my face forever. But as you can see, it kind of lightened up my contour a little bit. It kind of helps lift your jawline up. I really kind of need to move on to blush. So this little Blush and Glow palette. This is $4.99. Comes with 5 shades. I love a shimmery, shiny blush. So, ooh. Those are soft. These are highlighters. Glow, Blush and Glow. Okay, let's see what Fantasia looks like if we were to use it as the blush. Love the concept, but I think I prefer a matte blush with maybe just a little bit of shimmer, because this kind of like accentuating my texture a little bit. So I might just go over that a little bit more with some powder to dull it down and mattify it. Let's move on to highlight. I really want to try this right here, lightening. That's pretty. It's like a light gold, like a white gold. Very glowing from within vibes. Alright, let's move on to eyes now, which I'm super excited about because, hello, look at this. Look at it. This is the Sienna's palette. $9.99, comes with all of these shades. Absolutely freaking gorgeous. I wonder if we should do some swatches. Okay, yeah, she's a big palette. Got some different textures and finishes, some like really shimmery metallics. This one right here, which is the third in the palette, Conquest, is more of like a glittery. Got some duochrome and then some mattes. And then it comes with a brush, which I really like the brushes that come with their palettes. One side is a perfect big fluffy blending brush, and then the other one is like a flat packing or like detail. Tons of pretty colors, but what do we want to do? I'm really feeling like this color story right here. You could definitely do a shitload of different looks with this. I don't think I'm going to be doing like a 3 looks 1 palette type thing. If you want me to do that or do more tutorials with this particular palette, I can. I just don't think I want to get too crazy with it because I am still in the middle of filming a foundation review. First, going to start out with Oasis and pop that in my crease. So pigmented but easy to blend and just beautiful. It's like doing the work for me. Forgot to mention that I have a code with Profusion, so this doesn't work at Target, but it works on the Profusion website. It's just a discount code strictly, and it only works on the Profusion website and not on Target. Okay, next I'm taking Outspoken, which is pretty pigmented, so don't go too crazy with it. And we're just gonna put that directly in the crease. Darken up that area. I'm keeping the brush that I used to blend out Oasis on hand, just in case I need to like help blend out a little bit. Alright, Devoted is just speaking to me, so I'm gonna put that all over the lid. Are you kidding me? That's gorgeous. And look, there's like no fallout. Lastly, I think I need to take Bite and put that just in the center, just to add a little dimension. I haven't even used the brush that came with the palette. I'm taking Dizzy right now and putting that in the inner corner. This color story is making me so ready for fall. Obsessed. Okay, so for the lower lash line, I'm taking Devoted on a brush that looks like this. All the way across the lower lash line, connecting it here at the outer corner. What does that remind me of? Ace Ventura. And then I'm just taking Oasis and I'm using that to blend out. Got a little bit of fallout here, so I'll just take a really big floppy fluffy brush, pick up a tiny teensy bit of my loose powder, and then use that to brush it away. I've seen in a few tutorials that using a brown eyeliner pencil can be more flattering than black. I love using black in my waterline, but I wanted to try this whole brown conspiracy thing. So I ordered this from Walgreens. This is the COIL Kohl Gel Liner in Setting Our Sights, which I'm hoping isn't a shimmery brown, but let's find out. Yeah, it's like a shimmery brown. Alright, instead I'm just gonna use this really dark brown from Deck of Scarlet, and it's called Twilight. That's pretty, I like that. This is good pencil. Take a little bit of Cozy, and we'll just like smoke out the lower lash line a teensy bit with that. So next, I think I'm just gonna pop on some mascara and falsies really quick, and I'll be right back. Alright, 8 billion years later, I have my lashes on. This pair is Miss Fury by Rouge and Rogue. I got some freaking eyeliner on my contact lens, so I had to like pop that out and like scrub it off. So it's been a minute. But yeah, let's move on to lips. Got this cute little kit right here. Lips to Go by Profusion. It is a matte lip cream, a matte lip liner, cat hair in my nose. What else is new? And then a sparkling lip topper. I guess the shade of this kit is called Secret. Lips to Go Secret. And this set is only $5. So we'll start out with the lip liner. It's called Secret Nude. That is a nice lip liner. Really creamy. Let's go in with the liquid matte lip cream in Matte Secret. Has a faint like sugary sweet smell to it. Curved doe foot applicator, so it holds a decent amount of product, and also also makes it easier to fill in your lips. not my favorite formula. Color's beautiful. Love the lip liner. I kind of feel like I could just wear the lip liner because their liquid lipsticks are kind of like, they're thick, beautiful and pigmented, but the part that goes on the inside of my mouth never fully dries down all the way, so it remains like really sticky and kind of uncomfortable. It makes me feel like I need to do like that a lot. I'm really looking forward to putting this gloss on top. This is like literally the cutest thing I've ever seen. Secret topper. Ooh, okay. See what it looks like. Oh. Okay. The brush is a lot stiffer than I thought. It's stiff because they don't want it to get all jumbled up when you put it back in the thing. It smells like the most delicious candy cane creamsicle. It looks beautiful and definitely made it a lot more wearable for me. And yeah, I think that concludes the look. This is it. What do we think? Let me know. I'm absolutely so freaking happy with the eyeshadow palette. I can't even. I'm gonna need to do more tutorials with this. I can already tell. Like, really pleased with the eyes. I'm feeling very like emo, like with red eyeshadow. This I think I put on too much of the gloss. I need to blot. If you're gonna get anything, I freaking love their eyeshadow palettes. They have a few more that came out with their, I think it's their summer collection. I might need to go out and get my hands on those. Yeah, if you're gonna get anything, the eyeshadow palette and then like their contour is so good. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. I wanted it to be like chatty and stuff, but like I don't have anything to talk about. So hopefully you enjoyed just playing with some of this new makeup with me and creating this look. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. And yeah, thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.